These machines accept credit and debit card only. If you look closer, you can see that the credit card reader is where the bill acceptor normally goes. As I open them up, you can see that it has a credit card reader, but there's no bill acceptor or coin mechanism. Same thing on the drink machine. You have the credit card reader, no bill acceptor, no coin mechanism. But I will be converting these to accept all forms of payment, cash, coins. Some locations might want to where it only accepts credit or debit, and this is a way that you can set it up.